I'm going to show you two ways that you can filter your time using the Rescue Time Date Picker. On the left-hand side of your screen on your dashboard, you can select daily and you're able to see a weekly, monthly, and yearly view. On the right-hand side of your screen, the right and left arrows, you can select those to toggle by day. If you hit the drop-down arrow, you can view your time by day, week, month, and year. And on the yearly view, you're able to also see quarterly views. If you select recent, you can also select the common time frames that are here. As a light user, you're only able to see time for the previous 2 weeks. These other options would not work for you. In regards to your work hours, you can select here and see all time or select work hours. If you hit the three dots on the right hand side, you can also view your filter time through these default time filters here. But that's it. That's how you're able to view your time using the date picker with Rescue Time.